This is the Information Brief, a Holyoke Media service with the most recent updates of relevance in the city of Holyoke and the Pioneer Valley. I am Johan Rashi Vega, and this is the information for Friday, April 24th of 2020. The Holyoke Public Schools weekly newsletter provides several updates regarding the schools during the COVID-19 pandemic. Massachusetts has COVID-19 resources available to immigrants and refugees. And we have the most recent numbers at the Holyoke Soldiers' Home. This is the information. The Holyoke Public Schools sent out this Friday its weekly update with a comprehensive description of the recent news and developments regarding the school year and its activities. Some of the most relevant topics included in the newsletter sent in both English and Spanish address the school to stay closed for the remainder of the year, end-of-year events, summer and extended learning offerings, the Scholars Lounge. Also, the deadline for free internet access for 6 months for eligible Holyoke Public Schools families is April 30. Family and student surveys deadline is May 1st. Also, there are still Chromebooks available for Holyoke Public Schools students. It also provides the MCAS update, grab-and-go food for Holyoke students, and resources for family. Information about Holyoke Public Schools at Home Learning. The Cone of Excellence awarded to Miss Naomi Robles at Morgan School. And a very important program, the applications for Holyoke Community College, Early College, is available for freshmen. It includes the most frequently asked questions for the class of 2020 and city-related news. To see this whole update, you can follow the link we posted on our Facebook and Instagram pages with this information brief in order to know in detail all the information provided by Holyoke Public Schools. On these information briefs, we have been addressing different groups and populations that are part of our communities being affected by the COVID-19 and the quarantine with all its implications. Today, we want to address how this health emergency is affecting immigrant communities, many of whom have been impacted by job losses and some of whom are not eligible for relief recently offered by the federal government. However, the state of Massachusetts has a dedicated page with resources and information for immigrant communities. On healthcare and health benefits, Massachusetts provides resources to pay for COVID-19 testing and treatment for low-income Massachusetts residents, regardless of their immigration status. Programs like Mass Health Limited are available on an emergency basis to all Massachusetts residents who do not qualify for public health insurance programs due to their immigration status and will cover the cost of testing and treatment for COVID-19. The Commonwealth's Health Safety Net program is also available to qualifying low-income Massachusetts residents no matter their immigration status and will pay for testing and treatment for COVID-19 provided by hospitals and community health centers. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has issued guidance encouraging everyone with symptoms that resemble COVID-19 to seek necessary medical care. The federal agency has said that COVID-19 tests and treatment will not be considered for public charge decisions. Also, the public charge analysis does not apply to most non-citizens, and most healthcare insurance programs, including Mass Health Limited and the Health Safety Net, do not count for the public charge analysis. Importantly, federal and state privacy laws require healthcare providers to keep patients' personal information confidential. About resources available for non-citizens, Under state law, workers are eligible for benefits from their employers, including earned sick time, regardless of their immigration status. Similarly, there is no immigration status requirement for workers to be eligible for the new COVID-19 related federal emergency paid sick leave and paid family leave benefits in the Families First Coronavirus Response Act. The new requirements for employers to provide those benefits are enforced by the U.S. Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division, which does not ask workers about their immigration status. Non-citizen workers who are authorized to work in the United States may apply for unemployment insurance benefits. However, persons who are undocumented should not file for unemployment benefits. The Massachusetts Department of Unemployment Assistance provides additional information about filing for unemployment as a non-citizen. For more information regarding these benefits and resources, you can visit the state's website, mass.gov, with information available in English, Spanish, and Portuguese. As well, the link to this website is available in the posting of this information brief in our social media pages. In other information and regarding to the Holyoke Soldiers Home, the numbers provided by the state as of this Friday are 73 veteran resident deaths, 62 were positive, 9 were negative, 1 pending, and 1 unknown. Today's update includes 5 deaths, 3 who tested positive and had do not resuscitate and do not hospitalize orders, 2 who tested positive and were being treated at the hospital. 85 veteran residents have tested positive, 60 veteran residents have tested negative, 8 veteran residents have pending tests, 81 employees have tested positive. Stay in the know with Holyoke Media. We are reporting different announcements, services, and updates in the local, state, and federal level related to the COVID-19 emergency. The service is available in English and Spanish for our community in the city of Holyoke and the Pioneer Valley. This is the information we have for today. We will continue updating and following up as soon as more information becomes available. If you have questions or information to share with us as well as your concerns, you can contact us on our different outlets on social media. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and podcast distribution platforms. Also, you can watch us on Holyoke Cable Channel 15. Remember to wash your hands and keep a safe distance if you need to be out, and also remember, as of this Sunday, is a mandatory order to wear a face cover or mask if you are out in any commercial establishment of essential business. We will be reporting any updates during the weekend on our Facebook page and Instagram and Twitter presence. This has been the information brief for April 24th of 2020. I'm Johan Rashi Vega. You are watching Holyoke Media. Have a nice weekend.